Kumano.
Galing niya. Ako na pre. Bubugbungin ko mukha niya. Talaga? Sipag-sipag mo. Tumba ka naman. Ingatan mo. Sisipain ko kung dalawa ito. Isa. Aba. Sipa. Durog ka. Patay, tatlo. Sipa ko. Wow, ang galing mo. Panta. Wow.
Great job, man. Beautiful. Great. Hey, don't be so overjoyed. Now they've been whipped. They'll be screaming for revenge.
Pakinamin kung revenge.
So what? With our Lung on our side,
Magaling pa rin siya
now those
mag-kung-fu.
thugs won't be so keen next time. Right. You men understand nothing. You should remember.
Sikat kasi siya.
There's a saying, thugs are safest at home. This is their home. Where we are now, we're all foreigners. All around us is their territory. Now we must be even more careful.
Pasikat ka pa
They'll be
rin.
back. And we must be
Dapat
ready for them.
Don't worry,
Now our dragon has entered. You'd all better listen to me. They'll be back for their revenge.
Wala kaming pake. Wala kaming
We can
pake.
discuss it later.
Halika na. Uwi na
Honor, it's
tayo.
late and you're tired. Let's go home now.
Okay.
All right.
Uwi na tayo. Ang dilim, bulok. Anong klaseng bahay ito?
You want to eat?
Hindi. No. Ensayo ako bukas.
for some training.
Bakit bulok yung bahay niyo dito?
here?
Sure,
Yes.
anyone can buy one.
Malinis
It's
yung
no
bahay dito
problem.
namin.
Hmm.